Sun.com. Live, local, late-breaking. This is your First Alert forecast.
Big storm with a whole lot of wind headed our way and very cool temperatures for this time of the year. Hi there, I'm Chuck George. It is Tuesday evening and we are looking ahead to Wednesday and beyond. All the way through May 24th now, we will not see 90 degrees. Let's take a look at it. Today's high temp only 89. It was gorgeous out there. Our overnight low this morning was 58. I should say 79 was our daytime high. 74 by 8 o'clock this evening, passing clouds with a west-southwest wind. Tomorrow morning, lighter wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour, waking up to 58. Plenty of clouds dotting the sky tomorrow afternoon. High only 81. Normal high is 91 for this time of the year. And tomorrow, the wind could gust up to 30, 35 miles per hour. Right now, 79 at the airport. Dew point is coming up tonight as we get a bit of moisture trying to work into the air. It's coming to us as a result of this big storm. Look how massive this thing is. I've been saying big, I mean strong big, and also big. Check it out. Stretching all the way from back here to now the Central Plains. These are the clouds that are associated with this, and you can tell there's a lot of energy with this, just with the quick motion of the clouds moving through. Center of circulation of the next area of low pressure is trying to move inland right there, but again, you can really tell that we've got to push from the North Pacific all the way into the southwestern United States. And there's more back here that will reinforce our cool air for next week, so it's not over yet. Again, through May 24th, at least now with no 90s. There's no tropical tap with this system. Things are coming from west to east instead of pulling moisture up from the south. You can see the absence of clouds here. For that reason, I don't think we're going to get any rain in Tucson. We might get sprinkles to our north, but really nothing major for us, and certainly nothing significant for Cochise County, where the Horseshoe 2 fire is burning. Here's one of the reasons. We've been talking about this for a couple of days, but I'm trying to find interesting, different ways each day to show it to you. This is the mountain effect. We're seeing the mountains right here, the coastal mountains of California, the ones you drive over on I-8 as you head out to San Diego in June every year. Well, that's what's blocking our rain, and this will show you too. This is a computer model. Put it into motion and you'll see kind of that line of showers that never quite makes it over the hump. And that's the effect of the mountains. We're on the rain shadow side of those mountains. For us, we have to get that stuff to come up from the south. But we are going to get wind regardless. A couple of wind maps that I'm going to put in motion for you. And these will show you, first of all, that was sustained. Now this is wind gusts. Watch this tomorrow afternoon. Watch the red appear in Cochise County. You will have gusts well over 35 miles per hour, approaching 40 up in the highest mountain peaks. And that's unfortunately right where the elevation of the Chiricahua fire is right now, the Horseshoe 2 fire. So what advisories do we have in effect with this storm? Air quality warnings for Pinal County as a result of blowing dust as it moves in. Red flag warnings for the rest of us. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Again, windy, cool temperatures area-wide in Cochise County, around 75 to 78 degrees. In Santa Cruz County, mid-70s. Here in the Pima metro area, the Tucson metro area, eastern Pima County, we'll have temps in the upper 70s for the most part. Here's your 7-day First Alert forecast now. 3 days, we'll fold it out to 7. Look how beautiful this is if it weren't for the wind. Thursday, down to 75 for the high. Up to 87 on Saturday as we bounce back up. But then next week, a reinforcing cool shot of air that's not as cool as this one will be moving in, and it'll just keep us from hitting 90 at least through the early part of next week. Some activities for you this weekend. Sierra Vista is having its fun-filled Saturday and movie Under the Stars on Saturday. Sunday, Tucson Pops at Reed Park, the Tucson Symphony. It's free. It's incredible.
Yes.
Sit outside and enjoy it.
I know. Blanket, you know, underneath you, blanket on top of you, maybe.
Exactly, maybe, yeah.
Thanks, Jack.
You bet.
It could be